Hey everyone, welcome back to Interior Trends. Today I am diving into the world of interior garden design, exploring creative ideas to bring nature indoors. Whether you are a seasoned plant or just starting, there's something for everyone in this video. Let's begin with the concept of vertical garden. These are perfect for small spaces or areas with limited floor space. You can use hanging planters, wall mounted pots, or even create a living wall using a variety of plants. It not only adds a touch of greenery but also elevates the aesthetic appeal of any room. Here's a quick guide to set up your own vertical garden. First, choose a sturdy wall or structure. Next, select a mix of plant with varying textures or color for visual interest. Finally, arrange them in a way that complements your space, ensuring the receive adequate sunlight and water. Now, let's talk about incorporating plants into different areas of your home. From the bedroom to the kitchen, there are endless possibilities. In the bedroom, option for soothing plant like lavender or aloe vera for a calming atmosphere. In the kitchen, consider herbs like basil and mint for both culinary use and a fresh ambience. Remember, each room has unique lighting and humidity level, so choose plant accordingly. Natural light is crucial for indoor plants to thrive. If you are short on space, creating a mini garden near a window can work wonders. Place plants that love sunlight, such as succulents or cacti, near south facing windows for areas with less lights. Option for low lights plant like snake plant or peace lilies. Don't forget to rotate your plants occasionally to ensure even growth. Lastly, let's discuss the benefits of having an interior garden. Beside enhancing the aesthetic, indoors plants purify the air, reduce stress and boost overall well-being. Studies shows that indoors plants can increase productivity by up to 15% and improve concentration. They also act as natural air purifier, removing toxins and creating a healthier environment for you and your family. And there you have it, creating interior gardens designed to transform your living space, whether you prefer minimalist arrangements or vibrant greenery. Let your imagination bloom. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.